If you are a starting DJ, spending a lot of money on your first DJ controller, and then realizing it's nothing for you is probably not the best idea. It is best to start small, figure out if you like it, and then move on to the bigger and better. For that reason, we have put together an overview of what DJ controllers beginners should be looking at. There are many products available to choose DJ equipment for beginners, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best DJ equipment for beginners from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Numark Mixtrack Platinum. The Numark Mixtrack Platinum FX is very similar in layout and functionalities to the Mixtrack Platinum, with a few small differences to the mixer and effects section. The FX features 2 FX paddles and 6 direct access FX buttons: echo, reverb, flanger, phaser, HPF, high pass filter, and LPF, low pass filter. The Platinum FX inherits the built-in screens into the large jog wheels, and having the BPM readout right in front of you helps enormously when mixing, especially because finding the BPM readout on your laptop screen can be a challenging task. The controller is shipped with Serato DJ Lite, but works with Serato DJ if you have the license. It also supports 4 software channels. So while the Mixtrack Pro 3 is our pick under $250 United States dollars, the Platinum is our overall pick in this feature. Its Pro features: touch strip, high-resolution pitch fader, onboard screen, audio interface, give a serious starting DJ all the goodies needed to be off to a good start. Positive side of this product: excellent value for money. Full Serato DJ Lite support. Integrated LCD screens. High-resolution pitch fader. Number 2. Pioneer DJ Controller. The big change with the DDJ 400 is that the effects section is removed from above the decks, and is now integrated into the mixer. This creates a more 2 decks and a mixer feel, and aligns the Pioneer DJ Controller line with their line of professional equipment. If one day you move up to the clubs and have the chance to DJ on CDJs, having played on the DDJ 400 will certainly help make things more familiar. The pitch fader is also slightly larger than on the DDJ RB, and that's a very good thing. Apart from that, the DDJ 400 is certainly very well equipped to handle all your beginner needs, and more. Each deck has 8 performance pads with a wide choice of features, such as activating samples, the keyboard features, different effect features, beat loop, beat jump. Regarding inputs and outputs, the DDJ 400 keeps things simple. 1 RCA and 1 headphone output, and 1 mic input. This is more than enough for beginners, and since it has a built-in sound card, hooking it up to your laptop and speakers is dead simple. Positive side of this product: great value for the price. Recordbox DJ license included. Supports most Recordbox DJ function. Number 3. Hercules Controller Impulse 500. The Hercules Controller Impulse 500 looks a bit out of place in this list, because it looks and feels more like a mid-sized semi-pro DJ controller. But it's in the beginner price range, and it comes with built-in features such as the Beatmatch guide and the intelligent music assistant. It also has large qualitative jog wheels and 8 performance pads per deck that wouldn't be out of place on high-end DJ gear. The Impulse 500 has 4 FRX buttons to directly access software effects, and large VU meters for accurate monitoring. The only negatives in my view are the small faders and pitch faders. The controllers support Hercules' DJ UCED software and Serato DJ Lite. Positive side of this product: big format. Large, qualitative jog wheels. Support features for beginners. RCA and TRS output options. 4 FX buttons integrated into the mixer. Number 4. Native Instruments Tractor Control. The Native Instruments Tractor Control S2MK3 is a compact DJ controller for Tractor Pro 3 and Tractor DJ 2, and comes with all the features and functionalities you need for basicing. It only has 2 channels and no deck level effects, as the only way to engage effects is through the 4 effect buttons integrated into the mixer section. This might be not enough for advanced Tractor Pro DJs, but it should be enough for the intended audience of this piece of gear. The build quality is quite solid even though it's made of plastic. The jog wheels stand out as they are large and very well constructed, with an aluminum top and rubber sides, perfect for nudging. Overall, this is a great option for those that want to venture into the world of Tractor Pro, or for seasoned Tractor Pro DJs that want a compact unit to carry around for smaller gigs. Positive side of this product: compact and light. Fantastic jog wheels. Support for Tractor Pro 3 and Tractor DJ 2 for iPad. Number 5. Roland DJ Controller. The Roland DJ 202 is the newest addition to Roland's line of DJ controllers. It delivers a serious amount of features for its price, even including a sequencer and a drum machine. Overall, the DJ 202 is well built, and the design is very similar to its direct competitor, the DDJ SB2. It has very high quality jog wheels that not only feel good in use, but also have very low latency. The performance pads are not the rubber responsive type, but they are good enough considering the price. The sequencer and drum machine are a great addition, but using them can be a bit confusing, since the pads and buttons that activate it are not clearly marked to do so. Positive side of this product: great value for the price. Very good jog wheels. Sequencer and drum machine are a nice addition. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.